Meet the Zenith Infinity Smart Door Lock. The Zenith Infinity Smart Door Lock works with the Tuya App, Wishhome App, and TTLock App, giving you smart control right at your fingertips. It has 6 unlocking methods: fingerprint unlock, magnetic card unlock, password unlock, key unlock, app unlock, and combination unlock, designed for convenience, flexibility, and security. Installed with a reliable and sturdy mortise fit for wooden doors, it's built for everyday use and long-term performance. It has intelligent sensor lights, simple and easy to operate, high-strength alloy shell, sturdy and safe, indoor anti-lock knob, protection to the fullest. Brought to you by Zenith, the official OEM brand of Morethanall. Available at our website.